Hello, I hope you're doing great. In this video, we'll continue with slicers and also look at the timeline. The goal is to modify slicers and timelines together to make our pivot tables and dashboards more interactive. Let's begin. In the zone, I'll make it 2 columns, put it here, slicer, go to columns and choose 2 or more. We can pick 3, okay? And as you can see, here's something I can expand to view more data. So what we'll do now, which I think is better, is insert a few rows. We'll add the sales channel, add the zone, and now it looks a bit better. Let's click it, go to slicer, change it to orange, which is this one here, and arrange it a bit better. So, as I was saying, this option removes all filters and selects everything. If no other option is selected, choosing Africa will deselect all others. Selecting Europe will choose only Europe and deselect all others. I'm removing all filters. If I choose multi-select, I can pick Asia, Central America and North America. It's important to understand the color coding. As you can see, it's turning gray in this case, right? That means it's actually removing the graph, okay? In this case, you'd only see Australia, Oceania, and Europe. Got it? So how can I select only the ones I want? What I do is say I only want Asia visible, so I click it and Africa too. So I select those two, remove the rest, and now I have Africa and Asia. Again, if I don't want it like this, I just remove all filters and there it is. To make it more visually appealing, we can select both zone and sales channel, click slicer, add a line and center them. It looks better now. Remember, when we clicked on Pivot Table Analyze, we had Insert Slicer and Insert Timeline options. Here, for example, I'd like to see the order date. Let's click OK and see how nice this part looks now. I'll make it smaller to fit, but it doesn't. So I'll add rows to enlarge it without blocking the view. Let's click on Timeline. We also have the option to modify with existing layouts. In this case, I want this one here. If we click on Report Connections, imagine we have 5 pivot tables. We can connect all 5 pivots to this slicer. So when we select something here, all 5 pivot tables will be filtered simultaneously. We'll see this later when we look at charts linked directly to pivot tables. In Timeline, we also have the Align option, and we can rename it. I'd like to align them, so I'll select all 3, go to Slicer, and click Align and Align Middle. This will align all 3 slices. We could even move them more to the left, right? I'll select these 3, apply Align again, go to Shape Format or Align, then Align Middle and distribute horizontally. Now all 3 have equal spacing, okay? This space up here is perfect for adding a title. In this case, it's Sales Report. Since it's a title, let's make it a bit larger. Like this, Sales Report. See how nice it looks? I'll remove the empty space on the left to make it look like this.